Welcome to the 41st episode of Dividend Investing Insights, your one stop for all things dividend investing. Join us as we explore high yield shares, dividend growth strategies, and portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now and take care of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we will continue to look at the portfolio that we have built and see as to how it has progressed in the last 1 week. However, like always, we'll start with a quick recap of the markets. S&P 500 went up by 157 points to end at 5,686 points. Nasdaq too went up by 586 points to end at 17,977 points. And here locally in Australia, ASX 200 went up by 269 points to end at 8,238 points. However, as I've said, share prices, stock markets will always go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should invest in stock that have the ability to pay dividend now, increase dividend in the future, and the companies are fundamentally strong so that our investments is assured. Anyway, let's look at the portfolio that we had built. We had first bought KDP, we bought 50 shares at 37.46. Then we bought JP Morgan Chase, 10 shares at 210.5. Then we bought 100 AT&T at 21.91. Then we bought CVS Health, 30 at 60.3. And Unilever PLC, 33 at 61.32 for a total investment of $10,002.76. And that's what we had started out with. We had started out with $10,000 and invested it in the market. Let's see how they are performing as of this recording. KDP is currently trading at 34.41. JP Morgan Chase is trading at 252.51. AT&T is trading at 27.61. CVS Health is trading at 67.46. And Unilever PLC is trading at 63.5 for a total portfolio value of $11,125.9. However, that's not all. Since the time we have started, we have made these investments, we have collected dividends of $186.02. And last week, there were three more payouts. JP Morgan paid a dividend of $1.40 per share for a total dividend of $14. AT&T paid 27.75 cents per share for a total dividend of $27.75. And CVS Health paid out 60 cents per share for a dividend of $19.95 for as dividend, which makes our total portfolio to be at $11,373.62. Putting it graphically, this is how it looks. It is well on its way towards 12,000. That is what we have been aspiring for. It is almost 11,500. As I have said many times before, we are looking at anything between 12 to 15% return from this portfolio at the end of the year, and that's what we are aiming for. Anyway, moving forward, what are the upcoming dividends? The only dividend left this quarter is Unilever PLC, which will be paying out on 13th of June, 52.01 cents per share. And we look forward to it. As we end the episode, putting up the dividend investing checklist again, use it to make your investments. Happy investing and look forward to seeing you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.